Good day everyone, I am Marchery Ellicott. I am the reporter of Chapter 8 entitled of Planning and Failure for Entrepreneurship. So the first topic is importance of planning. In any business venture, planning serves a great purpose. A plan offers success in case if uncertainties and provides less room to make mistakes and fail. The focus of the entrepreneurship here is on the implementation of the plan, meaning on how to get the product and or service to the marketplace and the shortest time possible in order to begin earning profit. So, first of all, planning is important when what we are going to and what to do. The importance of planning is to avoid circumstances along the way of our business. Like example, if you build a business, you must plan ahead of time so that we saw the result if this is fail or success. And we have a plan that plan A, B, C, D kay para kung ma-fail ang plan A, naatay backup na plano and of course, planning is with action. So magplan jud ta nga with action. Mag-take jud ta og action kay kung magplano lang ka wala kay action, wala gihapon, useless gihapon ng imuha nga pagplano. So, here's some advantages of creating a plan for a business venture, whether big or small ones. So, naay 5 kabuok. And the first one, a plan is necessary to concrete on goals. So, specific goals with what has been planned. A good plan discusses a measure the progress goals change as time passes strategies and definite steps that are vital on the achievement of the identified goals. A plan is necessary to concrete on a goals. So, having a plan is a crucial for focusing on achieving goals. Without a clear plan in place, it's easy to become distracted or lose sight of what we want to accomplish. A plan provides structure and direction, helping us to stay organized and on track. So, if ever mag-build ta og business, dapat naagid tay plano. Himuon jud nato na siya as a first step, and then ang plano nato dapat naagid na siya goals na gusto nato i-meet, which is maging successful atong business. So, kung wala kay plano, dali lang malugi or mawala ang imo nga business. Like for example, let's say someone's goals is to start their own business. Without a plan, they might have vague ideas without what they want to do, but struggle to take concrete step towards making it happen. So, ginamin niya is, if wala kay plano, maglisod jud kag step forward. So, a plan is important para mag-concentrate og mag-focus sa goals nato, which is mag-improve ang ato nga business. The second one is planning helps keep track of finances. A good plan gives a detailed picture of the budget that is required for every activities in the business operation. Having no plan, the budget may go out of order and the entrepreneur may overspend his finances. So, planning helps individuals keep track of their finances by providing a structured approach to managing income, expenses, savings, and investment. Without a plan, it's easy to overspend, miss bills payments, or fail to save for the future. So, it means ang finance is grabe gid na siya ka-importante sa business. So dapat naapud tay plano sa atong finances kung asa nag-adto. Unsay mga dapat palitunon, then dapat naadjud tay mga monitoring ana or nakalista na siya if naaman tay mga palitunon. If ever magpalita, so kailangan mangayo jud ta og resibo kay ang resibo mao na siya ang naga sample or proof kung asa nagaadto ang kwarta. So dapat magplan pud ta kung unsaon paggasto sa kwarta and then dapat naatay monthly budget. So unsa ang monthly budget? So creating a monthly budget is a form of financial planning by outlining expected income and expenses for each month. Individuals can see where their money is going and identify areas where they can cut back or relocate funds. So, muna siya akong explain ganina. The third one is planning helps keep track of the business progress. A good plan can easily identify how many activities have been complete and how many are still undone, provides a way to determine the priority activities that must be given attention closely. So, planning helps business keep track of their progress by providing a roadmap for achieving their objectives and milestones. Without a plan, it's challenging for business to measure their performance, identify areas for improving, and make informed decisions to drive growth. For example, nag-start ka sa imong business nga maulang ning imong budget or kwarta. Tungod kay naaman kay plano, naa kay marketing strategist or business plan, so nag-progress imo nga business like naglago. Or nakita nimo na naay improvement ang imo nga business kay naman kay plano. Purpose of planning, dali lang nimo ma-track back kung unsa imong mga plano o kung unsa ang imong i-progress or need nimo i-improve. And then, the fourth one is planning conveys the risk of what to expect in advance. In the early stage of any venture, government clearance are necessary. If planning is done, there will be enough time to get this government clearance forehand. Yet, if this information is not given attention, then come up later, unexpectedly, the entrepreneur will be caught in the middle of the situation. So, planning involves assessing potential risk and uncertainties that may affect the success of the project or initiative, and developing strategies to mitigate this risk in advance. By identifying potential challenge early on, business can prepare contingency plan and take proactive measures to minimize negative impact and ensure project success. So, in the business, wala ta kabalo if unsay mahitabo in the future, and wala pud ta kabalo if unsay purpose or reason if may chances na ma-fail ang ato nga business. So, dapat naatay plano in advance. Kay what if walay mo palit sa imo nga baligya? Dapat naplanuhan na nimo kung paano na nimo isolve or unsay mga strategies or risk nga imong buhaton if ever ma-fail ang imo nga business. So, kana naman tay ginatawag nga mga plan A, plan B, plan C. So, dira nimo na siya i-apply if ever ma-fail ang isa nimo ka plan, so at least may backup ka nga plan, which is ang plan B. And then the last one, planning helps to understand deviation and failure. Oftentimes, plans do not work as expected, or worse, they fail. Having well-designed plan makes an entrepreneur realize a certain portion portion of his plan fails. Hence, he can immediately correct those parts that went wrong to bring back the plan in a good direction. So, ang number 5 is planning helps individuals and organize understand deviation from their intended course or action and failures to achieve desired outcome. Through careful planning, people can identify potential obstacles and establish contingency measures to address them when deviation or a failure occur. Planning provides a framework for analyzing what went wrong, identify root causes, and implementing corrective action to improve future outcome. So, ang ginamin sini is ang pag-understand. If ever ma-fail man ka no, so at least like same lang ni siya sa number 4 nga dapat may mag-andam jud kadaan og plano, dapat kablo na kadaan kung saang dagan sa imong nga business. Like if ever ma-fail ang imong nga business, at least kablo na ka kung saang imong himuon para ma-correct nimo to ang imong nga ma-fail and mabawi nimo ang imong nga na lugi nga mga something else. So that's all. So remember, success is waiting to your plan. If you fail to prepare, you prepare to fail. So kung wala kay planning na mahitabo, ma-fail jud ang imo nga business. Affected jud ang failure. So, importante jud ang planning. The end of my report. Thank you and God bless.